If you're lucky enough to know that a breakup is approaching, you can take action today to stop a breakup in its track. In order to successfully avoid a breakup, you must keep control of your emotions. Avoid impulsive acts that can kill your last chance to turn things around and save your relationship. Let's examine what must be done today to avoid a breakup. Number 1. Do not be emotional. You must be prepared to bite your tongue and go against your natural urge to argue. With love on the line, we tend to lose control of our rational thoughts. By saying and doing the wrong things, we will regret later. This is a common mistake that can destroy your relationship faster. You must do your best to keep a level head no matter how justified you feel you are. Number 2. Be honest and respectful. Most of the time, we fear that we may lose a relationship, so we do not be honest with our partner. In the end, this will only serve to hurt them. If you feel that your relationship already reached the point of no return, it is eminent that you put aside all your fear and be completely honest with your partner. Express your feelings clearly and concerns in your relationship. Number 3. Do not blame your ex. You must be mature enough to avoid the blame game. Understand that you have part to play in the breakup of your relationship. No one in this earth is perfect, and that includes you. Number 4. Accept your part in the problem. You may be aware that some of the things that you have done that have led to your relationship hitting the skids. If so, just accept responsibility and apologize sincerely to your partner. Make them aware that you understand their concerns and express your willingness to take whatever to improve your relationship. Number 5. Move forward in a mature way. Do not be caught up in the past mistakes. You must move forward, as mistakes from the past cannot be changed no matter how hard you try. Just be mature and keep your emotions in check. Sign up for my free newsletter to discover the secrets of getting your ex back in 60 days or less. Just click on the link below and enter your email address, and in 5 minutes I'll send you a free newsletter on how to get your ex back in 60 days or less.